Welcome back to the Funko Brothers YouTube channel. Today we have some Funko sodas. We got Bebop, Puft, The Flash, and Roger Rabbit. Let's see if we have a chance of a chase. Start with Puft. Don't look at the pog. And we have, looks like just a common. Yeah, just a common. 1 in 12,500. The Flash. The chase of this, I think's the Reverse Flash. And we have just a common. Being a little difficult. One in 12,500. Bebop. I think the chase of this one's Blacklight. Comment down below if I'm wrong. It's a sweet Funko soda, but we have the common. One 10,500. He's pretty heavy. Last but not least, Roger Rabbit. Come on, chase. I need at least one chase. This one, I think he has kisses all over him. And just a common. But an awesome Funko soda. Has to be my #1 Funko soda of the year. And it's 1 in 8,400. Now if you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below which one out of the 4 was your favorite. There will be more awesome content coming up soon. Funko Brothers, out.